Here in this video, I am going to show you the penalty trick in daily games. You can score every goal with this trick. To score every goal, you have to remember the previous one. For example, first day you scored a goal. Now remember which side the goalkeeper jumped. The next day you have to shot that side where the goalkeeper jumped last day. For example, watch my 3-day scores. First day I shot on the left side, but the goalkeeper didn't jump any side. So that I have to shot straight next day. Today goalkeeper jumped to the right side, so I have to shot on the right side next day. As you can see, I scored every goal with this trick. Use this trick and score every goal. If this video helps you, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.